Hey my gems! My hair has been feeling real dry and brittle, so I want to do a treatment to bring it back to life and restore the moisture. I'm going to be using 3 ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen that has some amazing benefits for your hair. Olive oil is the first ingredient, which actually helps to prevent dandruff, fungus, and other scalp issues. Honey is humectant and retains and attracts moisture, which is great for a dry natural hair treatment. Mayonnaise actually contains lemon juice, vinegar, and soybean oil, which actually helps with vitamins and fatty acids to boost shine and acts to seal in the moisture in your hair. Mix it up, microwave it for 30 seconds, and boom, you got you a bottle. Shake and bake. Let's get it going. You want to start off by washing your hair first so that your cuticles can be open and ready to receive all these key ingredients. Make sure you're massaging into your scalp as well to promote that hair growth and stimulate those cells. And y'all, don't forget that kitchen in the back. Don't forget it. Here I go trying to make sure I get every little inch out of that bottle, and of course it just drips down and falls. Story of my life. Next, you want to get a heated towel and your supersized Theodore Vernell shower cap. The Theodore Vernell shower cap is bomb because it comes in a 5-pack and it's super sized. Can you see how big it is? The great thing about it is that when your hair is in this natural state, such as this, you don't have to actually put it into different sections just for a shower cap to fit. This fits on all this hair. So this is perfect for big hair, long hair, don't care. So now I'm going to seal in that heat by using a heated towel, draining off any excess water from the towel, and simply wrapping it over the disposable shower cap, making sure that it's tight in the back, and then putting the reusable Theodore Vernell shower cap on top to lock in that heat. Let that sit for about 30 minutes and then rinse it out. And I can already see the improvement of my scalp, my hair. You see how dry it was and how juicy it already is. Now it's already easy to detangle, and literally haven't done any pre-detangle or anything. So I'm excited. So now I'm following up with the Eden Body Works Split End Repair Mask. It actually has sweet almond oil, marshmallow root extract to repair damaged hair and soften the strands. You want to leave this on your hair for 40 minutes, and for deeper absorption, you can actually add heat. So I'm loving that I can already see how it's working. Hair looking juicy and look like it's getting vibrant again, baby. How? After rinsing out the deep conditioner, I am now applying the hydration serum, which smooths out frayed hair and split ends while nourishing dry, brittle hair. So my last step is applying the leave-in conditioner before I experience a mini earthquake. And as you can see, here is the cause of the earthquake. My little Stinky. And look who else came to join us. My big stink. Too cute not to add in. So I applied the leave-in conditioner spray all over my hair and already feeling the benefits. Hair is super soft and moisturized and bouncy, and it's ready to be styled. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and click on that little bell to get notification when new posts become available. Until next time, my gems, ta-ta!